Today we are introducing Daly City's 4th grade girls youth basketball league. The team has just finished the season and placed 3rd in their league. This team consists of 11 girls who range from 8 to 10 years old. In the beginning of the season, many players on the team did not know how to shoot the ball, but thanks to their coach Michael T. Morla, the girls were able to learn how to shoot and pass the basketball correctly. Michael Morla has been a coach for 7 years, and he coached his team not only wanting them to win in games, but to learn good sportsmanship.
Help kids more than a recreational kind of way, kind of teach them, the values of the sport, what it takes to become successful in sports, working hard, learning how to focus. And I'm not just trying to teach, the sport itself, but I'm trying to teach life lessons.
Winning is not a necessity in competitions. Instead, losing the game can allow this team of 4th grade girls to learn from the experience. As Coach Michael saw the personal growth of his team, he was overwhelmed with happiness.
They actually learn the skills of basketball, the fundamentals. And one of the things that I like to do in my philosophy of coaching is kids will only learn something if they have fun. And I'm not tough in a way where, I let things go, but I teach them how to have fun. Learning, the fundamentals of basketball. I think that's very important. And when they had fun together as a team, they wanted to learn more.
Throughout this year of training and games, the girls started to fall in love with basketball and have gained valuable knowledge in the sport.
I just like playing the sport. I just sort of like shooting and sort of doing a team sport. Well, I learned how to dribble and control, and I learned how to jump stop.
Apart from learning about basketball as a sport, it's important for the team of girls to use the attitude of sportsmanship in their daily lives.
I've learned a lot from my coach that I have to keep pushing, not be afraid, and actually try. And I want to be a teacher when I grow up. I want to be a teacher because I want to teach people about things and more things.
Even though Coach Michael is not coaching next season and the certainty of the players is unclear for the team, the hope for the girls to succeed in the future, no matter in basketball or in academics, is clear. Ivan Ho, Vivian Liang at San Francisco State University.